Hello everyone. In today's video, we will look into swipe to dismiss pattern. So it's a very common pattern. What happens is, let's suppose you are given a list. Now you want to delete something from the list. So the easiest way is if you keep a long press on the list item and drag it towards the left, then it should get dismissed. Like in short, it should get removed. So we'll be using the previous video's list where we had fetched a bunch of photos and its description from the API. So as you can see, we already have a list ready, right? Now we want to implement the dismissible pattern, right? So what Flutter provides us is it provides us with a simple way to actually use it. So what we can do, let me comment out this code, which is the column code, and we can have a widget called dismissible. Yep. It takes a key and the child, so the child will be the list item that will be removing. So let me first fetch final photos index. So let me fetch the current index photos into this photo variable. Now the key would be, I'll create a key using the ID of the photo. Now the before the child, we need to also show on dismissed. So what happens on dismissed? So let's show you can say like a pop-up message. So in our case, it will be set state. First we'll set the state as we want to remove at index, right? Now after this, we want to show a message, so that we can show using a scaffold messenger. It basically shows a snack bar. So a snack bar is basically, you can think of it like a pop-up tooltip, right? So we'll use a snack bar and the content could be a text. Now photo, like let me also share photo dot title, alright, and then I will say removed. Okay, so this was removed, and then this takes this dismissible will take a semicolon, and the child would be a list style, and we can actually fetch this list style that we had implemented in the previous video. So oops, okay, I think that's done. So let's refresh our app. Okay, we don't see any error. Now let's try to remove number 3. So if I drag it and go till the end, it was removed. And you can see this, whatever the name was, the title was very big, got removed. Now just an additional thing, if you want to give a better look that okay, we are removing this, let's create a container, let's say colors.red. Now okay, so let's remove the 5th one. This time it will be having some title as Natter Sneezy, whatever. Now when I remove this, when I drag it to the left, you can see the red color is happening, right, which shows like okay, I'm gonna remove it. So I remove it and I show a message with the snack bar. So that was all for this video. We learned about swipe to dismiss pattern. If you guys like this video, follow me on Instagram, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone.